Just because it's a world record doesn't automatically mean it's impressive. World records can be broken for bizarre and unnecessary reasons. People will do stuff that's obviously ridiculous or ridiculously amazing, as you're about to find out. I'm Mike with List 25, and here are the 25 most ridiculous world records ever set. 25. Most children in a single birth. The world record for most surviving babies delivered in a single birth went to nonuplets of Halima Cissé from Mali. What are nonuplets, you might be asking? I'm talking 9 babies here, people. Born in 2021, the 5 girls and 4 boys had to stay in Morocco for almost 2 years initially. Halima was being seen at a hospital there and doctors didn't want to take any chances. The babies were all born via C-section. 24. Weirdest diet. If you think your diet is strange, well, think again. Meet Michel Lotito, the French eating machine who likes to eat, well, machines. Or at least the stuff machines are made out of. Metal, glass, even razor blades. He didn't use a knife and fork either, relying on an electrical saw instead. One of his greatest, or craziest, achievements was consuming an entire plane over the course of 2 years. Lotito had a whole other attitude to physical pain, using something called sophrology to reach the right mental state. He also had one heck of a digestive system, of course. The record-breaking Lotito passed away in his mid-50s in 2006. 23. Stand-up comedy marathon. What's the average length of a comedy special? An hour? Well, comedian David Scott tested the idea to breaking point, performing the world's longest stand-up comedy routine in 2013. He was on stage for a funny, bone-shattering 40 hours and 8 minutes at Dubuque, Iowa's Diamond Joe Casino. Scott's nickname is reportedly the Midnight Swinger, though by the end of the show, he was more like the Midnight Snoozer. Hey guys, just jumping in here real quick to tell you some exciting news. You know how you love watching our videos for amazing facts? Well, what if I told you that you could also have 500 amazing facts in the palm of your hand? That's right, we wrote a book. This one right here. What the facts are you talking about? And you can order it right now and have List 25 right in your library or on your coffee table or wherever it is you keep your books. It's available right now on Amazon, so click the link in the description and grab yourself and friends and family a copy today. 22. Speech Racer. Sean Shannon is a difficult name to say really quickly. Sean Shannon, maybe. Which is ironic because he broke the world record for the fastest talker in Edinburgh, Scotland in 1995. His rapid-fire delivery in the English language of the speech from Shakespeare's Hamlet got him in the books at Guinness. Shannon performed 250 words in just 23.8 seconds. 21. One of the most disgusting world records ever. This record was broken unintentionally by laboratory worker Madeleine Albrecht. Over a period of 15 years, she tested products which targeted body odor. Her job was to get up close and personal to things like feet. Albrecht holds the record for sniffing well over 5,500 of them. It's easy to mock, but we salute Albrecht for her great work with Dr. Scholl. After all, she was just towing the line. 20. Hiccups from Hell. In 1922, Charles Osborne started Hiccup. His hiccups went on, and on, and on, for almost 7 decades. When the poor man finally stopped hiccuping, he had approximately a year to enjoy himself before dying in 1991. Osborne, who came from Iowa, made it all the way into his late 90s without a hiccup. Well, okay, he had hundreds of millions of them, but apart from that, he lived a long life. Weird bonus fact, he was weighing a pig when the hiccups began. 19. Game of Thrones. How impressive is it to smash a toilet seat using your head in martial arts style? I'm not so sure, but there is a world record for it. This one is held by Kevin Shelley, who got through 46 thrones in 1 minute in 2007, and these were wooden seats, not the flimsy plastic things. Is this some brain-dead guy looking for attention? No. In fact, Shelley is a member of Mensa, so pretty intelligent. 18. Magnificent mileage. How reliable is a 1960s Volvo 1800S? Treat it right, and it could go for 3.2 million miles. Proud owner and teacher Irvin Gordon broke the world record for non-commercial mileage over approximately 50 years. He reportedly traveled the equivalent of 7 trips to the moon and back. Other cars capable of driving millions of miles are available. 17. Elf Plan. Do you run a marathon faster dressed as an elf? You'd certainly break world records, that's for sure. British runner Ash Payne decided to put a festive twist on his appearance at the London Marathon in 2017. He completed it in 2 hours, 58 minutes, and 16 seconds. The pride of Santa's workshop, Payne was drenched in magical pixie juice at the end of the race. 16. Slime time. Could you cope with a snail on your face? How about 43? This was the icky world record achieved by Australian Mike Dalton in 2009. He only had to do it for 10 seconds, which is more than enough for most people. It's a mystery why he wanted to do it at all. And the crazy thing is he balanced all those slimy things in a suit and tie with a flower in his lapel. Do you hold a record for something? Maybe not a world record, but something you want to shout about? Let us know in the comments. 15. Zest is best. Ashrita Furman spent 22 minutes and 41 seconds in 2007 moving an orange around the Green Acres Mall in New York. Yep, that's a world record, but an incredible one because they did this using just their nose. This guy must have time on his hands because it's not his first rodeo with Guinness World Records. He also holds the longest somersaulting title, flipping over a distance of 12 miles. Plus, he went underwater for close to 4 hours on a pogo stick. 14. Who needs oxygen? I mean, everyone, surely. Not firefighter Jonathan Vero from France, though. He put on a protective suit to run in the blazing heat back in 2023. And by blazing, I mean literally. Vero, aka the non-Marvel version of Human Torch, needed the suit because he wanted to run whilst on fire. This highly dangerous sporting event saw him covering 893 feet to the finish line, winning him the title of longest distance full-body burn run without oxygen. 13. Longest tattoo session with multiple people. An Italian tattoo artist decided to break the world record for inking multiple people in 2022. How long did he spend with that needle? An eye-watering 61 hours and 37 minutes. Giovanni Vassallo broke the record in Sicily, and the exact number of clients he worked with isn't clear. Awe-inspiring, a little ridiculous, and not something you'd want to try when he was tired. 12. 1 foot in the Guinness World Record books. This record sounds crazy, but you've gotta respect the person for doing it. Canadian star Arulanantham Suresh Joachim wanted to break the world record for balancing on 1 foot, preferably without busting his ankle. In 1997, he spent 76 hours and 40 minutes in this position. The fact his record is still held today is a testament to Joachim's dedication. 11. Medal arithmetic. Between 1997 and 2006, Elaine Davidson broke the world record for the greatest number of piercings in a person's lifetime. During that period, she found space for an extraordinary 4,225 piercings on her body. I mean, as long as she doesn't go through a metal detector or go anywhere near a magnet, I'm sure she'll be fine. 10. My doggie does licks. And it's not surprising, given he has the longest tongue in a living canine. Illinois boxer Rocky's tongue measures 5.47 inches. That's enough to make anyone feel inadequate. What? How do you measure a dog's tongue without having your fingers bitten off? Rocky was anesthetized at a local vet so they could take an accurate reading in 2023. That's a strange day of work right there. 9. The amazing Professor Splash. Also known as Darren Taylor, who in 2014 broke the world record for the highest shallow dive during a Guinness TV special in China. He plunged 37 feet 11 inches into a 12-inch deep water pool. I mean, in pool terms, 12 inches is kind of like a puddle. So while this sounds ridiculous, it is also potentially hazardous. How does Professor Splash not end up in traction? He reportedly makes a flat landing, so the water cushions him and is blown out of the pool, presumably leaving him flat on his face. 8. Iceman. You see athletes and other crazy people getting into ice baths for health reasons. Well, how long do you think someone could withstand full-body contact with the cold stuff? The answer? 4 hours, 2 minutes. Polish popsicle Łukasz Spooner went up to his neck in ice, in a feat that can only be described in one word. Brr. Spooner is far from alone in this chilly pursuit. Just a couple of years earlier, another Polish man, Walerian Romanowski, spent 3.5 hours submerged in ice. 7. Pop goes the eyeball? Did you know that some people can project their eyeballs out of their faces? And if this wasn't ridiculous enough, there's a world record for it? In 2022, Brazil's Tio Chico, which in English means uncle boy, protruded his own eye 14.2 millimeters. He does this by controlling the muscles in his eyes. Tio Chico, whose real name is Sidney de Carvalho Mesquita, looks like a real-life version of Arnie in Total Recall. He's the male record holder, with the female eye-popping champ being Kim Goodman from America. She can bug out approximately 12 millimeters. Goodman reportedly discovered she could protrude her eyes after someone hit her in the head. 6. Most expensive man-made object. This sounds like a more sensible world record, though it's definitely ridiculous in the terms of cost. Approximately $150 billion was spent on the man-made International Space Station. It's been up above our atmosphere since 1998, and the bill's only going to get larger with all the maintenance and work that needs to be done on it. It's believed the station will be still usable until around 2030. 5. Underwater magic. Any magician can perform tricks out of the water, but only the best wow audiences under the sea. Avery Emerson Fisher, and what a name that is under the circumstances, performed 38 tricks in a 3-minute window at what looks like an aquarium. The most remarkable thing about this record-breaking achievement from 2023 is that Avery was just 13 at the time. 4. Bag it up. A collection of 6,290 bags is an impressive achievement, enough to break a world record in fact. You may feel less impressed when you find out what kind of bags they are though. You see, Nick Vermeulen from the Netherlands has a thing about barf bags. Yep, when other people see those things and think of blowing chunks, Vermeulen sees an opportunity. He broke the record in 2012 and quite frankly, he's welcome to it. 3. Hear this. The longest ear hair in the world belongs to Victor Anthony, an ex-head teacher from India. In 2007, his astonishing ear hairs were measured and found to stick out 7.12 inches. Several years earlier, another Indian guy broke the record. Radhakant Bajpai had ear hair measuring over just 5 inches. It's a talking point for sure, but I do have one question. Why? 2. Most married woman in the world. American Linda Wolf was looking for love and decided to get married at the age of 16 in 1957. Then she married again, and again, and again. Wolf ended up breaking the world record for most married woman, racking up 23 husbands. Who's the most married man in the world? That would be Glenn Wolf. And if you think the name sounds familiar, you'd be right. Linda and Glenn tied the knot, making him husband number 23 and her wife number 29. 1. World record for hunger. People in Scotland love their food, although Angus Barbieri was an exception. Over a period of 382 days, he went without a meal and lost approximately 276 pounds. This extreme weight loss move saw him drinking tea and coffee, plus he consumed vitamin tablets. It was a family affair, with his parents' fish and chip takeaway closing as he shed those pounds between 1965 and 66. Barbieri broke the world record for fasting, and his name went into the history books. Want to hear more about amazing real-life events? Well, we have a video about nature facts that'll leave you speechless right here. So check it out, and I'll catch you next time. In the meantime, go do some world records. Let me know. Go do some, let me know what you broke, and we'll check it out. Maybe you'll be in the next video. We'll see.